I say I no go gree. You go pay me my money today. You must pay me. I say I no go gree. I no go gree.
Bros, I greet you. No.
As me no agree for you, you pay me my money. Pay me.
That bro, I don't feel greet you. That one. So I greet you, bros. I greet you, bros. Yeah, I greet you, bros. Now this baby mother, let tell me say they find home teacher for our baby kid.
You don't know how much I pay for the homeless thing. You don't know how much, over 300,000. See, my pikin don't know anything. See, they cook for a joiner for how many months now?
Now come my guy, Pablo. They will teach you baby kid well. What did they teach you?
Now.
What is it now?
And now is the name of any person, animal, place, or thing.
Example.
Lion.
You know teacher so. What will be the second one to teach you?
Verb.
What is the verb?
It's an action word.
Well, give an example of a verb.
Come on for your Jerry. They try me.
Una dey hear so. Una dey say you go pay me.
I'll move. I'll run.
I'll move.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Bye.
Mark, what are you still doing with this girl? She's a good digger. This girl is a bad girl.
What of me? What of me that I lie to her that I have God?
Rakaka! Nigeria youth don't lazy you. So they bet it for food, no fit pursue one. Okay. About this. Bila say this guy get connection. Chama! Your phone dey ring oh.
Who be that?
Na Abalis.
Oh,
Jesus.
na there they go.
You there with your phone now?
No worry.
No, Chama there with your phone. Bila say one follow you talk.
No worry, I know wetin you wan talk.
I know sabi use iPhone, bros. Stay with your phone.
The password na 01.
Wait till I want use the pin, do. Wait till I want use and do. Chama, take.
Dey with am.
Bros, I use God beg you take your phone. Bros, I beg me beg am. If phone for help and see her for ground, no gree collect am for my hand.
Ah, na your luck oh.
Which kind luck? Which luck? You don't know the story. Now I summarize and give you. I beg, now my first time I want to be this. I beg.
No worry.
You never see this. I beg, no say.
Enjoy the phone.
I know sabi use iPhone no. Okay. I like Samsung.
This evening you will die.
Oga, money was me sent for person yesterday. See now the person never receive am. What did happen then?
Madam, something wrong with you? Madam, you smoke? You take Mary Jane? How dare you walk into my shop and hit my table? Madam, don't try that next time. Do you hear me? Person want transfer money to you, not checking in bank app.
You don't check in bank app. The money no dead here.
He don't go bank.
He don't go back. The money no. He don't even check email. The money no dead here.
Madam, it's none of my business. My work now to do transfer. Whether the money hang for air, money no hang for air. It's none of my business. What's the meaning of this? Let me have a local government chairman to come withdraw money.
Oh God, this is where they talk now nonsense and you no concern me. See, I give you 48 hours if you don't return that money. You go see what I go do you.
Madam, you cannot do anything.
Eh?
You cannot see, yeah? Madam, you not going to do anything. You hear me? I don't do this business for good 5 years. At this business, I used to train my junior brother for school. From GS1 to SS3. You hear me?
If you like, use this business. Train the whole of your village people. You don't concern me. What did I tell you? Say you never jam. Pray make you not get problem with me. If you get problem with you, I will do you something and you will know.
Madam, you don't do anything.
Eh?
Madam, get out from this place. Madam, get out from this place before you get me angry.
No problem, I will go, but bet me. I will come back for you.
Madam, you cannot do nothing.
You can make it here and you will see it.
Madam, I say you not going to do anything. Maybe you be this. Maybe you be this. Maybe you wear pink and black trouser. You want wear green? You want wear green? All these small girls, when Yahoo boys don't give them money, now come they worry POS people. Fake transfer they do for honor. Hey! Go and bring your army, go and bring your police. Nonsense. You want to destroy my Monday morning. All these girls, the way they behave, small girls of this generation, small thing they don't flame up. Come this place, come shout for me again. I will show you again.
Senior man, how you been now?
Ade, Udo, don't there again.
Yeah. This one where your face dey like this. Wetin dey happen?
My brother, now one girl, say my transfer 50,000 to person. I don't transfer the money to the person. He said the person no see the money. When the person don't carry the money, go flex for club, spray on women, finish. Come I say no see money.
No reason. Now so it dey happen for this area these days. Now network issue. Senior man, how far I wan withdraw?
How much?
5,000.
5,000. God have current or savings?
Savings.
Who you're paying?
Shay, help us, help
Insufficient fund.
Which kind of thing be this now? Eh? You just no be network issues. So no mind they receive transfer.
Yeah, they receive.
Okay, if you go call your account number for me now so that the guy go send them direct to you.
No problem.
I better call your account number.
1435 Starlight Bank, Meko Joseph.
Now your personal account, Abi.
I want to see the money personally, so I think get the alert.
Okay. Okay, now the guy go send them for you. Once he send them for you, I'll come meet you. You understand? Give me your number. Give me your number.
No problem. Baba Siam.
All right, now go put you call.
Yeah, no issue, Baba.
No wahala.
Yeah, thank you.
Later now.
Yes, sir.
Just dey check your phone.
I will be singing. I will be singing. Hey! I will be singing.
Jesus.
Na Jerusalem. Na Jerusalem.
That's him, sir.
Young man, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Udo there again.
You must be Meko Joseph, right?
Yes, I'm Meko Joseph, sir.
Okay. Did you receive an alert of 700,000 naira?
700,000 naira. Sir, let me check.
God have mercy upon us.
Sir, yes, the money enter.
Do you know this young man?
Sir, I don't know him. Oh.
Shut up! You guys kidnapped my lovely son!
Hey, Baba Jesus, not touching again. Hey, I did not kidnap. I'm not into kidnapping. No, I'm a POS person, sir.
You are a POS person.
Yes, sir.
The account you used to receive the money, is it your personal account or your business account?
Hey! It's my personal account. I opened it when I was in secondary school. So it and pay my school fees.
God have mercy upon us.
Guy, what's happened now?
This one where police dey there. Be like they don't track that guy.
Which guy?
Now the POS guy now collect your account number and send for that man we go pay the ransom.
Oh, this is no nice. Mukumoya.
Abi.
Guy, Mukumoya.
Hey, Jesus! Oh, you use your personal account to run a POS business. Is that what you're explaining to me?
Jesus.
No, sir. I know to give people, but I get one person.
You must be a criminal. Are you registered with the CSC?
No, I'm not registered with CAC. People like to come around here, sanitation people. I buy basket, then buy broom for sweeping and cleansing of the environment, sir.
You think I'm joking with you?
Sir, you're not joking.
You don't have a banner, and you're telling me you're a POS agent.
Sir, that's my problem. Now my graphic designer, he go snap me picture, designer for me.
Officer, we don't have any more stuff with this man. You will learn. Don't play. You think I kidnap my son and go scot-free? Let's take him to the station, please. You are using a POS work to do a cover-up. You are a kidnapper, young man.
Sir, I'm not a kidnapper.
Will you move it?
Sir.
Come on, move.
Sir, please, sir. Do you have care? Let me call my mommy. Tell him that police come to my workplace.
You call your entire village when you get to the station. Move it. Come on, move it.
I'm not the one who put me to trouble. It's the one that give my account number. It's the one that does my account number.
You have to have capacity. This world can be something else. We must learn a lesson.
How far, my guy?
I do.
How far, bro?
I did be now.
Other side now.
I did alright.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
My sister.
No, I'm my baby.
My babe.
Yeah, no.
Eh. You know the same way well.
I'm my baby.
Yeah, no, no. You go see now. Yeah.
Brother, so I was saying.
How far, my guy? Come now.
Some of you are just evil.
I do.
How far? You should see this girl I gave you.
I'm my baby dog now.
Alright.
That's my girl for real.
That's what I do for you.
I do and ugly.
My baby dad, bro.
You dey want? Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
She be not a babe. Yeah, kiss her.
We will handicap.
Kiss her now, my charmer.
Yeah, you don't catch me.
1.5. Correct. Let's have it.
Give me a number, I dey go.
For Sally 2.5.
Hey, La Kaka. Hi.
Jesus. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you are weak.
Thank you. It's intensive.
So good.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
God have mercy upon us.
I love your eyes. Very are cute.
My eyes.
Your eyes. So cute. Good. And I mean it. I mean it for real.
Voila. Thank
Your
you.
eyes are so cute.
My eye.
I mean it. Your eyes so cute. Yeah. I love it and I mean it.
No, I beg you.
Come. Where are you heading to? Come.
No, I beg you. Now when they come up people eye for relationship. Now I say like my eyes. Later now I go say like my tongue. Before you know body parts don't lose. I know they like person eye this period though. We wait till them I wear red like this.
Wetin happen?
Now explain, give me oh. Bros agree to yesterday. My guy Pablo, yes, you know my guy na Pablo.
Yes.
Like me say everywhere good. See my birthday, make I come. Now come my birthday. I tell him, I say, bro, everywhere no good. Even when I reach there, I say tell him, Pablo, everywhere no good. This period get the way. You know understand?
No man.
Agree to bros. Even when you know Pablo don't come, you don't tell me say, ma take Ferus, ma take D. Now I say, Pablo, you give me Ferus. I tell you say everywhere no good. Oh, you come in no I be. Say no, drink. I want me everybody flex. Agree to my bros. Before you know, hype man, they hype me. Come, me, and move once. See my back, my bend. Call they call me now, they call me, say, ma come, oh. Say, everywhere good, oh. Say, why come on yesterday. I say, my bros, no verse, oh. Me, get 1 or 2 where we say I be go do. So now, I'm not sure. But I will feel come back again. That yesterday, let me. See my come now, all that crocodile, all that cockroach. Just put your D, bros. I great. I move. Come on, not change that guy. Don't set me up again. Yeah, set me up. Get guy.
Still a fan guy.
Fan guy. Get guy.
Get guy.
Get guy. A few years day together. We all day together for us. No, I'm a bad person. I'm a bad person. Don't you?
No be Pablo be that.
Pablo.
Pablo the consul.
Pablo the consul.
Pablo.
They go.
La caca.
Hey! Rich man pikin go think say na trade by battle.
I be go club this night too.
Sure na we go club now.
I be you must go, you know the game, you know go club.
Club?
La caca.
No, I no go club. Oh.
You sure?
Yeah, I won't just day house.
Everywhere good now.
Rich man pikin go think say I be introvert. Oh.
Customer, what do you want?
Na rice.
How much?
200.
Make I put meat.
Without.
Why you no want buy meat?
I no want.
Buy meat now.
I say I no want. Rich man pikin go think say I be vegetarian. Oh. This thing where I do now, so rich man picky go think say they constitute nuisance.
La caca.
Rich man picky go think say na madness. So, Mama, good afternoon. Hey, Mama, I dey greet you. Mama, I say good afternoon. Hey. Rich man picky go to say she no hear me. She hear me. Now because I dey owe her money.
Guy, so now here you stay.
Now yeah, they still.
Yeah. This place na palace o. Aje. This place won't be like that place wey Fino buy now.
Jesus.
That house wey Fino buy. I beg give you one room.
Are you mad?
Which kind of talk be this one now?
Yeah, what you see money?
Let's have it. Na God.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Na God. I been na gone.
Na God.
Shut up your mouth. When you talk like this, you say na God. I don't get God. Me and you dey trench, you don't take. I don't know how I take get money wey you take buy house for you. The thing say na God. No even you talk like I don't like am.
Yeah, make I tell you. Na sport icon. Na Telegram channel. They dey give sure game prediction. Even if you no sabi, they go teach you.
Sport icon.
Now there I see all this big money. Oh.
I know am now.
And the link wey dey your buy na here I press now.
Jesus!
And the link wey dey your buy you press.
And the link I press now.
Yeah. Why you no come tell me say me and you get property for here?
Another 5.
I believe my link you press.
God have mercy upon you.
The blood of Jesus. Did I call you to come?
Say it was make sense.
Mama, I'm going to bed now. Please, you wake me up on time so that I can get ready for the job interview. Most I don't find this job since. Hey, I beg, wake me up.
No worry. I go do am. I don't hear you. But yeah, now go sleep. Yo.
Mama.
Good night. Go sleep. In the morning, early in the morning, see this speaking, oh. My friend, wake up. Enter bedroom, go back as I see you. In the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord.
Jesus. Ah! Mama! Time never reach now.
Lakaka. Hey, I beg go. Now they will go all night for church if cold deal. I beg now my church cloth too. I beg drop her. I said make you drop her.
Jesus.
Make her go naked because I did relationship. Drop her.
Wait me that.
You don't know this shit.
Now your church cloth now. You want naked, my guy?